Hi, it's Mine Crypto here. I hope we're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world.
Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research.
Hi guys, it's Mine Crypto here, and I'm talking about IOTA today. And I'm talking about the controversy that took place, I think it was last week, where the IOTA boss Shriner causes confusion with statements about Shimmer. Will IOTA side project Shimmer become the main thing in the future? Statements by Dominic Streamer, chairman of IOTA Foundation, were apparently misinterpreted, totally misinterpreted, and caused unrest among us investors. There is excitement in the IOTA community these days, and the trigger for Dominic Schreiner, who heads the IOTA Foundation, in an online discussion, Schreiner had spoken out about the future's prospect of IOTA and the side project Shimmer, and screenshots distributed on Twitter raised questions. Had Schreiner spoken about the fact that the development work on decentralized IOTA 2.0 was no longer a priority and that all forces should concentrate on Shimmer? Is IOTA really finished, as Moon Baklava summarized in his rumor mill? In reality, Schreiber apparently wanted to sharpen the profiles of IOTA and Shimmer and also mouth terms like rebranding. Interpreted these into phrases was the assumption that in rebranding of the IOTA ecosystem, Shimmer should take the lead role. But Schreiner meant something actually completely different. And you know what it's like on crypto Twitter. People misconstrue what's actually said, and they, extrapolate certain messages and turn it into whatever they think it is. And I think this is what, with investments, this is what happens. People are so on edge. They'll read into everything that's said, every single word. IOTA itself is to remain the network that governments and industry partners also trust. So according to Schreiner, the crazy stuff that takes place in the DeFi division should find its place in Shimmer, which is fair enough. On the other hand, the latest episode in Failed Communications by Schreiner clearly highlights the unease among investors. I think possibly Dominic maybe should say a little bit less, and if he's going to say something, think about how he says it, because there will be people out there that will find a way to turn it into something that it's not. So that was pretty much cleared up, and I think people moved on, thankfully. So we had some good news yesterday. Dominic Schreiner and the UAE Minister of State for Foreign Trade discussed $1 billion project to drive IOTA and DeFi in the United Arab Emirates. So IOTA collaborates with UAE government using its blockchain solution and Tangle technology to address infrastructure challenges and empower digital ecosystems. Now this is big. Now, I saw some, again, people read this and they get excited, and I saw lots of tweets coming out last night getting excited. Something's coming, it's coming. I did actually notice that I was getting some IOTA last night, and I just noticed that all the withdrawals had been suspended. So I don't know if it had anything to do with it, but a little bit added to the excitement, I suppose. So IOTA's Tangle technology with DAG-based architecture addresses scalability and the cost-related concerns, ultimately making the IOTA Tangle network highly energy efficient with reduced energy consumption, which is what IOTA is all about. The IOTA Foundation has always been at the forefront of undertaking key initiatives addressing some real-life use cases and applications. As a result, IOTA has been working along with governments to solve several infrastructure-related problems and build a robust ecosystem. In one such development, the UAE Minister of State of Foreign and Trade conducted a meeting with IOTA co-founder and chain Dominic Schreiner to explore ways in which IOTA's open source blockchain solution will help empower UAE's digital ecosystem. Great news. UAE seeks to tap into IOTA's blockchain ability to power a wide range of sector, which could play a vital role in the country's advanced technology ambitions. And we know they've got lots going on at the moment. So it says here, the Fani Al-Zayudi says, "Great to meet Dom, co-founder and chair of IOTA, to explore ways to introduce their open source blockchain." So, that's confirmed, which is absolutely brilliant. IOTA remain the preferred network for governments and corporates to deploy large-scale projects since the blockchain is fast, reliable, as well as very environmentally friendly. IOTA and the open source distributed ledger technology uses directed acrylic graph, which is DAG, a structure which enhances scalability and enables utilization in various industries such as healthcare, automobile and smart city infrastructure, which we know in the UK is starting to develop. Whether you like it or not, it's happened in Oxfordshire. They're splitting certain places in Oxfordshire into precincts, and well, you know, I'm not sure I'm happy with that, but it is what it is. We progress. And some more news that I read on the crypto Twitter space, which I'm really bullish about, to be fair. I think this is awesome. So, revolutionizing the manufacturing industry. So, we see here IOTA is fearless, scalable, and a secure platform that can be used to track and manage data from a wide variety of devices. IOTA has a potential to revolutionize the manufacturing industry by providing a secure, scalable, fearless platform for tracking and managing data. So IOTA can be used to track movement of goods throughout the supply chain from start to finish. So it's almost like a paper trail, but a very secure one, from raw materials to the finished product. This can help improve efficiency and reduce cost. IOTA can also be used to monitor performance of machines and equipment, which can help prevent breakdowns and improve quality. In addition, IOTA can be used to create smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts that are stored on blockchain. Smart contracts can be used to automate a variety of tasks such as payments, approvals, and logistics. IOTA is still quite a very new technology, but it has the potential to revolutionize the manufacturing industry by providing a secure, scalable, fearless platform tracking and managing data from start to finish. IOTA can help manufacturers improve efficiency, reduce costs, and improve quality. And this is what I found very, very interesting. Some examples of how IOTA will be used in the manufacturing industry. So Siemens is using IOTA to track movement of goods throughout its supply chain. This has helped Siemens improve efficiency and reduce cost. We've got Bosch. Bosch is using IOTA to monitor performance of its machines and equipment. And this has helped them with regards to breakdowns and again improve quality. And then we have the big one, Volkswagen is using IOTA to create smart contracts for payments, approvals and logistics. So this again improves efficiency and costs. And these are just a few examples of why. And we know it improves efficiency, it reduces cost, improves quality, increases transparency and enhances security. And these are all the reasons I have invested in IOTA and will continue to do so. So there you go, guys. Just a quick bit of news, an update. Please like and subscribe so that you don't miss any further videos, and it'll help me out massively with regards to YouTube's algorithm. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research, and I will catch you later. Thanks very much.
Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research.